Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use market geometry in full swing in the financial market. Do you want to use market geometry in full swing in the financial market? Well, you are at the right place, also at the right time. Without too much blah 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 from my side, let's begin, using the market geometry in full swing. So the word I'm using today, a full swing, is all about you want to use market geometry to help all your technical trading decision, whether you are day trading, swing trading, or position trading. That's what I meant by a full swing from the beginning to the end. And I find one stock that the financial instrument that we are analyzing is TD Ameritrade Holding Corporated. Now, this is, if you trade stock, you should know this one. TD Ameritrade is a company. You can open a trading account with TD Ameritrade Holding. All right, so check it out. If you're a stock trader, do a bit of research about TD Ameritrade Holding Incorporated in the financial services sector. You can open a trading account with a TD Ameritrade Holding. All right. So the first thing that we are looking for, so you look at any chart, you are looking for a consolidation. Is there a consolidation? So for instance, I'm on the monthly chart, I saw a consolidation here, so I just highlight it. That's the first thing you are looking for. So because you want to use market geometry in full swing. Though I'm on the monthly chart, all right, we can use this, on a 30-minute time frame, any time frame. So I'm going to go quickly to the 30-minute time frame and see whether we can see. So you look at a chart like this, all you do care about, you ask the question, is there any consolidation somewhere on this chart? Not as such. Probably we may say that it's happening here now, all right, but not as such. And then once you see one, you just highlight it. The next step is to measure the width of that consolidation and use it as a measuring stick for your market geometry trading. So now stay with us, because a lot of traders know a bit. Traders have been following and know a bit of market geometry, but I want you to stay with us so you can see why I choose this stock for this demonstration. So you go to any time frame. Let's try again as on a 4-hour time frame. Where are we? Here it is. This is a good one here. Okay, so here we are. You have it. You are here during that time. You see it. You can see. Is there any consolidation on this chart? I want to use market geometry in full swing. I'm a technical trader. I'm an advanced technical trader, and I want to use market geometry. You see, yes, that's one. Say good. I like this stock. So you put this stock on your watch list that you title market geometry full swing or full swing watch list. So you put it there. So now you keep watching. So prior breakable, you use the market geometry. Here it is. Just keep going. This is it. You find one market, you see a consolidation. That's why the first question you satisfy, you have it. You measure it. That's it. You have it now. Okay. You want to use it like Lavoisier, all right, accurately without any trouble. Here it is. Now, anytime you put it there, remember the media line. So just if you don't want to draw it, just leave it there. Do you see any reaction near the media line? You see, they took first profit there on the 4-hour time frame, pull back. When the ball retest, went up a bit, retest, and then boom, you see here. So this is a break above the media line of that projected channel. So on your 4-hour time frame, you retest it here. Your RSI is forming a kind of a bullish chart pattern here, and then from here, pew, above. Where is it going? You want to use market geometry what? In full swing, yes or no? That's why you do care about, isn't it? So now again, you move the goal post, so to speak. See, here we are. So before the price even reaches this level, you draw this line. You also draw the media line. You want to trade where? Around those key level. Near the media line. Again, is that media line? Somewhere in that zone. Look again. Look what the price did around that media line. See, when you push it, they push it fast. This is quite bullish. They push it fast to the top. You see here? And they quickly take profit. These are high-speed traders. Push it to the target, close, price drop down below the media line, then it went back again, turn around. So you talk about this also when the price turn around a key level, which what do I mean? It D below it, pretending to go down, only to show to say, oh, hide and seek. I'm not going down, I'm going up. That's what I did here. Oh, I'm not going down, I'm going up. Yeah, turn around. You see that? The trader mentioned that last time when I was talking a video about RSI turning. He put an excellent comment saying that he used also RSI turning around the 50 level. So full swing. So here again, you see the reaction near that. So with that consolidation that you have noticed here is helping your technical analysis. You are using it, okay, to trade, okay, to use the market geometry in full swing. So again, you project it here. See that zone again? That zone. Okay, this is what we are talking about. You just went above it and quickly come back down. And not only that, look at that. This is a sell. He went above, turn around, and then break below. So, if it's coming down, so you may say, what should we do now? Watch the same key level that you have drawn before. It's a reverse, isn't it? So it's coming down. These are now support level. We are monitoring. Couldn't find support, break below, retest. It's coming down. Watch, extend the line that you had before. Extend them. Look, that's where we are now. Now, it break below, it retest. It was already down here. Okay? And also it's going down. Watch, down, draw. If a trend is in place, don't forget the channel. So you are using your market geometry in full swing, as I show you now on the 4-hour time frame. Day traders, are you happy now? Okay, so you say, John, today, okay, I love your video for the first time because I'm a day trader. So this is about using market geometry in full swing. So the first step is to look for what? A consolidation. You highlight the consolidation and measure the width of the consolidation and use that project that measuring stick in the direction of the price to pinpoint a hot spot trading zone. Look for trading setup in the vicinity of those projections. So you may say, Joe, you were on the monthly chart before. I'm a swing trader. You are annoying me now. Let's go back to the monthly chart. So here it is. So on the monthly chart, we ask the same question. On the weekly chart, we can do the same thing. On the any time frame, yearly chart, is there a consolidation? Especially on the yearly chart, it's powerful. Yearly chart, quarterly chart, be careful. Yes, my friend, did I say that? You are an investor. Here it is on the quarterly chart. This consolidation is very good. So now we have it, okay? All right, let's go back to the monthly chart to please swing trade it. All right, so here it is. So once we see one, we say, all right, we can now use a market geometry in full swing. We measure the width a bit accurately like Lavoisier, all right? I like Lavoisier, all right? Talking about accuracy, precisely, or like God, like I'll use, see here, projection, attention to what? Media line, the midpoint target. So now you did it like this, you say, okay, probably we may see a reaction here before the price even reach that level, and you also draw your media line. Without cheating, my friend, accurately, the media line, somewhere in that zone. Yeah, so there it is. Look, he went to the media line, that's the midpoint target. They took some profit, price breaks the ball, retest. Are you a swing trader? RSI is overbought, price break a ball, a resistance level, and final support is buy. Do you understand that? RSI overbought, but the price breaking a resistance and finding a support above the resistance is bullish, it's not bearish. You implement a top-down trading method, next level here. Will that help swing trading? Will that help day trading? Will that help, all right, position trading? Yes, it will. In full swing, oops. So I move the media line. So again, it breaks above that one. You project it again. You want to use market geometry in full swing. Here it is. Now you move your media line is somewhere in the zone. Look. You take it again. Reaction near the media line of that channel. Come back down, find a support, boom, find again a resistance here, and they push it to the target. Now, will you agree that nothing is happening in the financial market by mistakes? It's all mapped out. So if you're on a 3-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame, and you wonder why people are selling, normally they should buy. check the higher time frame. There is always a good reason why people are buying and selling, and price does not go up or down for no reason. It's always headed to a specific target level, and using market geometry in full swing will allow you, okay, to make a better technical trading decision, even a swing trade, even investing decisions. All right, you can combine your normal technical indicator, RSI, MACD, CCI, or whatever you are using, Arun indicator, all those are funny name technical indicators. You can combine them with your market geometry swing, market geometry, okay, trading in full swing. All right. So then again, they break a bobby. Shoo, that's where we are now. See how they push it fast to the target. It's amazing. So as a day trader, so now you want to scalp trade, my friend. If you want to scalp trade, know where at the target level. That's where the reaction will happen. That's where, okay, you will see your short-term momentum start increasing, and expanding and becoming, okay, medium, long-term, okay, momentum. So the momentum that you want to catch as a scalper for a few seconds, for a few minutes, as a high-frequency trader, all right, is always at the key level. And the computers, the high frequency trader know, because they know that, oh, it's quite difficult for human being to draw all these lines to play with it. The computer will draw it and when they see it and they recognize those levels and boom, 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 on the 1 minute, on the 5 minutes, a decision are made around those. Let's call out this one, the last one here, the projection here. No, I'll use a different color because I already have red here. I'll use dark green. Pay attention to that line, and we're going to go now quickly to the 5 minute time frame. Can we see that? It's not showing. Well, the computers can know where is that line. They know it's not showing on my chart here. They know that there's a line somewhere in that zone. I'm going to drop it down to the 50-minute time frame. It's not showing because many they have already passed. So here it is. 30-minute time frame, they say, oh, attention, my friend. There's a resistance there. Time to take profit. All right. You see here the reaction. All right. But suppose you're on a 30-minute time frame, you know, though you're on a 30-minute time frame, you know that this triple top that's been formed is being formed at a specific key level on a quarterly chart. How do you know? Because you were using market geometry at a full swing before the price even reaches that level. You know that one should watch that level. And now what's going on in that zone? You monitor the reaction on the price, the momentum. Here it is, equal top, and then finally you say, I give up. And now here it is coming out. Now, game on. Is it going to go down? It's going to go down. You form lower lows, a lower high. Low, lower low. Here it comes here. Are you scalping? Are you scalping? Are you a day trader? I take it like a pro. This is about using market geometry in full swing. Very simple, very powerful. Whether one is a day trader, swing trader, position trader, or investor, scalper, gambler, you name it, you can use market geometry in full swing on any time frame. But my recommendation to traders is to use a higher time frame, preferably monthly charts, quarterly chart, yearly chart. Those market geometry in full swing will work better. We can play with it, even I can show you now on the 4-hour time frame. It has worked beautifully as I demonstrated in this tutorial. Begin to learn how to master, how to use market geometry, all right? how to, all right? To use market geometry in full swing. It helps you to follow with the price instead of concentrating too much on the technical indicator. It helps you to flow with the price and also to focus the next target level, the next midpoint target level. And it helps you not to violate the market patterns and to make better technical trading decisions. It helps you to combine your RSI overbought, oversold, your divergence trading, okay, with those key levels using the market geometry in full swing. I need to remind traders that market geometry is one component of advanced trading. I encourage traders to incorporate the market geometry trading tools in their trading arsenal and to continue to use it on any time frame, and that will help you to improve your trading decision. If you have any question or suggestion or blah blah blah, put in the comment section. I always read the comments, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. There is a trader that asked me a question on Facebook. He said, Joe, that video about the long tail, when we are counting area wave, I have touched on it in some of our video, but you are still asking about it. We will see, because just I need to find the example to show you. All right, so we'll get there one day. All right, so don't be discouraged. All right. If you find this video truly useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another blah 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 useless recording, funny accent, blah, blah, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. This will conclude our discussion today about how to become, this will conclude our discussion today about how to use market geometry in full swing in the financial market. To summarize the video, we go on any time frame, we ask the question, is there any consolidation? If yes, we highlight that consolidation, we measure the width of that consolidation, the measuring stick, we project in the direction of the price, drawing the channel, projecting the channel to set target, the ultimate target, the midpoint target, and we want to look for trading setup in the vicinity of those key level using a top-down trading method. We can draw those lines on the monthly chart, quarterly chart, yearly chart, and we can switch from those time frame to the lower time frame for day trading, swing trading, and scalping decisions. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use market geometry in full swing in the financial markets. Thank you for watching, and I speak to you soon.